Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back with another walk around. Thanks to the good folks at IAA Auto Auctions, IAAI.com if you want to check out a good car. I am looking for a tow vehicle and I am surrounded by all of these possibilities. Some of them a little too far gone. Some of them could be just perfect. Check out the Trooper. It's the next day. Oh. Monkey. Wrench. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
I gotta say it, I love me some Trooper. Yep, as in Isuzu Trooper. I actually had one of these back in the day. This one's from Big Red Imports in Norman, Oklahoma. Ha ha! Yep, 3.5 liter. These are really good little, well, they're actually very, very big trucks. The weak point is the transmission. Okay, ours was white with a tan interior and gold on the bottom of the doors, and it was a great truck. Yep, we had that when we lived in Harlingen, Texas. Yeah, and I loved it. I loved working on it because there's so much room in the engine bay, and I love driving it because you sit so high, okay? Look at the seats. You're sitting way up high. Your feet are way underneath you, like a dining room table, and it's just a fun place to be. In fact, let's go around here and show you the driving position. Okay, there's your back seat. Funny little story about these is when I had back surgery in Houston, Texas. Oh, you get manuals. Oh, let's check that out. Anyway, when I had back surgery, that's where I lived. My wife and kids kind of threw me in the back on some blankets, and I had to stay back here. Yeah, while we drove home to Harlingen. I love these. Look at this. See, look. Isn't that cool? Look at this. And you get service. Look at this. Everything you could ever want to fix is right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. All 4 volumes. This is a gold mine right here, folks. That is worth the price of admission by itself. Everything you need. And look how much room you get back here. And yes, this car, or this SUV, will tow. I love the little door. I love that. And I like the big one, which you have to, let me think, you got to do something. Oh, you have to lift. You have to push up on something if I remember right. Hold on, let me see if I can do this. There you go. You pull up on that to close this. There you go. Look at how nice this is. I wonder if the transmission is bad. Silver. Oh, okay. Let's see. See if we can get in here. Yep. Yep. One thing I remember, you don't get any armrests that fold down. So you're always looking for something to do with this arm. It just kind of flops around because there's nowhere to put it. If it was like a Land Rover, you'd have a little adjustable armrest right here that would come down. But you don't in these. But look at the driving position. Okay, you do need a windshield. Yeah, 1999 Isuzu Trooper. These are awesome cars. This is 4x4, basic. You can put in any kind of radio that you want. They did upgrade for the 6 CD changer. Here's your gas cap door right here. Let's go ahead and pull the hood. There it goes. And to see what happens, there's your OBD port. Let's just see what happens if she has any power. Does she have any power? She does. Yeah, maybe that's not the right key for it. Okay. Oh, you know what? I bet this is so pushed back. Let me try to do this. Hold on. Okay, hold on. There it is. Nope. Yeah, this is locked. Sorry about the camera work. I'm just trying to get the key to unlock. There it is. Okay, now we got it fixed. Let's just see what happens. Yeah, she doesn't want to start. Okay, let's check under the hood and see what we're working with here. I don't have a whole lot of room to get out. And a big old bead of sweat just dropped right into my eye. Wow, that really stings. Okay, I know, first world problems. Okay, let's take a look at the engine. Here we go. Hold on. Look at this. There it is. Ooh, Optima Red. That's a very good sign. See, you have all this room to work on it. It's a simple setup. Let me get the leaf out of the way. That'll make it so much better. Okay. Is there oil? I don't think there's a whole lot of oil in there. Hold on. Let me hold the camera here with my stomach. Okay, there's a little bit. That's worrisome. But look how easy this is. There's your fuses. Everything you need to get to is gettable. I just don't know about a leaky engine. But look at the front. I do. I love these. I'm sorry. I do. And I loved our white one. I really, really do. Okay, we'll put everything back and we'll check out the next vehicle. How about a Land Rover LR4, baby? Yeah, the square bodies. She's missing some pieces. Okay, you're gonna need some headlights. The bumper looks like it's been chewed up a little bit. Just kind of hanging on for its dear life right there. Okay, you need a wheel arch. And, oh, well, let's see what kind of damage we have at the front. You need another wheel arch. Everything is there. It looks like it, but you'll have to buy new. And headlights as well. What are the headlights going to cost you on a LR4 for a Land Rover? Wow. Okay. Oh, you get... Okay. You get a sack of stuff. But look at... Oh! These are nice. Okay, and you do get headlights. Oh, you get everything. Well, you'll need everything. That's nice. That headlight looks good. This is mangled. Part of your front bumper. Here's some of your wheel arches. That's fixable. Okay. Woo. Look at this. What year is this? This is the 2013. And the interior is like new. Wow. Okay, armrest that I was just talking about just a second ago, and you can turn this and it'll lower it. See, it'll lower it. There you go. Lower, 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 because I'm short. See, right there. Perfect. Okay, you get about 13 cents and a flattened penny. Those are always kind of cool. Here's all your descents for your transmission. Wow. You know, I had not thought about these because I thought they were like the cheapy version. Is this cooled? Is this cooled? USB? I think that is. Oh. Mikey may have to start thinking about these. What's going to happen here? Yeah, she's dead. Dagnabbit. All these vehicles, they need batteries. I like it though. This will tow. This will pull. Okay, and I do like how they have the window switches right up here. So as you're driving along, one arm here, the other arm here, you're driving with your knee, you can roll down your windows. Okay. Woo, it's hot. Let's look at the engine real quick. And we'll try the back door and see what's going on there. I like this. Okay. Look at the Harman Kardon audio. This is really nice. Oh, I can't because... Oh, you can. No, you can't. It's still attached. Dadgummit. Okay, we're just going to leave that there. Well, shoot. Doggone it. Suspension still looks to be intact. That's okay. Is there any damage to the door? No. I just can't open it because there's no battery. Doggone it. I wanted to see inside. Okay, well, there you have it. Land Rover LR4 HSE, baby. And next door, 2009 Hyundai Genesis. I've heard so many good things about these cars. This is already open. There it is. Okay. I have heard really, really, really good things about these from people who have owned them from new. Look how the hood strut is in the middle. Instead of the end, it's kind of in the middle. That's bizarre. Let's see here. Engine oil. Oh, good. Full. Looks relatively new. That's nice. Nothing seems to be broken underneath. Why is this here? It's a pedal car. So it's had a checkered life, is a good way to put it. Okay. Let's just put it just the way we found it. There's really no body damage anywhere. Dymax AS8, Eagle Goodyear LS2, all kinds of different tires. Goodyear AS8, so you got front and back. Matching front ones and then matching back ones. Okay, let's see what the inside looks like. Oh, nice. Smell test. Smells good. Woo! It's hot in here. Oh my gosh. Okay. I don't think there's any battery though. Yeah, there's no battery. Check this out though. This is nice. This is really nice. I'm just kind of poking around, trying to see what's going on. I can't tell you how many mileage. I can't tell you much about it. Looks like we have heated and cooled seats, maybe. Are they? Bluetooth, DVD changer, lexicon, MP3 player. Woo! It is hot in here. Wow. Okay. Wish I had a story about these. Well, I had a friend that had one. He loved it. He wants another one. That's the only story. End of story. Suckiest story ever. Look at the back room. Inside looks really, really nice. Why are you here? Why? Why? Probably mechanical is what I'm going to guess, because there's no damage anywhere. So if you're good with the mechanics of things, this might be a good car for you. One little ding. And that's about it. Everything else is just covered in dust. Yeah. Yep. Okay. So it's a 2009. There you go. All right. I don't know. We're going to keep this on our maybe list. I'm loving the Land Rover though, but that's a lot of work. And finally, how about a 2007 BMW X5? Yep, we're going totally Mercedes free in this video. I'm sorry. No Mercedes. I can get you BMW. I can get you in this vehicle right here for the low, low price of, I don't know. It's a good looking car. I really like the way these things look. I like them so much better than the older body styles. It's a little more rounded, a little different on the sides. The back, very, very similar. Those are cool, cool, cool wheels. Body damage. I'm looking. Oh, we got something here, electrical. That could be fun to trace. That could be really fun. So there is no body damage. She's just dirty. But the inside looks okay. All right, here's an issue. A little bit of paint coming off. You will need tires. You will need to get your headlights cleaned. This is a good looking car. Let's take a look and see what's going on the insides. Yeah, very similar to the older body style, but Mildly different. Okay. Oh, this is nice. And look how big the sun or the moonroof is. Sunroof, moonroof, whichever. Look at that. That is nice. Once again, dead as a doorknob. Okay, this looks like it's gonna have to be replaced. I'm sure that's lovely when it's all lit up. I can't even tell you the mileage. I really can't. This is a nice place to be though. I like the black and I like the wood. Oh. Ford, built Ford tough. That is a huge, huge moonroof, and it's letting in all kinds of heat. All kinds of heat in here. Let's take a look at the engine, see what's going on. We'll look at the back seat too, but there we go. This is not, oh, okay, well, that's an issue. Stick, 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 stick. Yep. Something to fix right there. I like the color. Brandy would say it's silver. I would say light green. Probably somewhere in between the two. And let's see what happens. And there she is, the big old V8. Yes, sir. With not a whole lot of room to work on anything. Woo! Wow. Okay, how do you get to your belts? Your belts are literally just right there. Wow. Okay. There is very little room to work on anything in this car. I like the way it looks though. I love the two scoops right there coming in. That's nice. That's very nice. Can I tow with this? Probably. Can I tow more than an F-150? Probably not. It's a Beamer after all. Yep. Let's see if the back. We can't open the back, I don't think. Yeah, this is not going to open. Oh, it's missing. Oh. It's missing stuff. It's missing pieces. So maybe there is a way to finagle it, but yeah, I don't know what that said. Electrical something something. Yeah, she's not going to open for us. Okay. Well, dagnabbit. We tried to give you an audience there, little girl. But you're not going to cooperate. So that's going to do it. We're going to say goodbye. 4.8. Yep. Okay. Let's do it right. Have you noticed only old people do that? None of the young kids put their sunglasses on top of their heads. Especially the old guys. They try to hold their hair back, or what's left of their hair, like me, and fold it over so it looks fuller. Anyway, enough about fashion for old guys. Let's talk about the cars and the trucks that we saw. I love the Land Rover LR4. I'm a new fan, but that's going to be expensive to put together. The Beamer, no. The Genesis, no. So I'm going to have to keep looking. Yep. Thank you for watching, folks, though. I'm glad you go along on these little trips. And once again, like I always say, this isn't my new career. Walk-arounds isn't my bread and butter, fixing cars. That's what I do. These walk-arounds are just something to kind of add a little variety and give me a taste of what other cars have to offer. And I try to focus on as many American cars as I can. But if I find a good Mercedes, you know I'm going to run right to it. You know that's going to happen, okay? Well, if you like the video, please like, please subscribe too. We are this close to 30,000 subscribers. Once you get to 30, I'm told 35 and 40 come a little bit easier. Fingers crossed. Toes and dirty old shoes are crossed, okay? We will see you again in the next video. And I just saw a Mercedes. I just saw a nice one. So I'm going to run over there and check it out. We'll see you soon, folks. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.